Hey, we're cracking open this Hot Wheels 2020 H Case International version right here on HDub50. If you like watching diecast videos, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, subscribe button, and hit the bell to get notifications when we upload new videos. So we got this case here. It did come in when I got the J case. They came together, but I'm going to split them up so that we can get better content spread out rather than everything all at one time. So I'm going to reposition here so I can get the case. So I wanted to see what was in this one. I did cut it open already so that you don't have to see that part. Let's see, put this down. So the last case we opened, we had a Super Treasure Hunt. That was the Lamborghini, I believe. Rio, I forget what it was, but we did an opening, cracking open, and then I did snuck in a little giveaway in that cracking open video, and it was a really long video. So let's start on this one. So up first we have the two Jet Z, Nissan GTR R35, and a Corvette Greenwood. Okay. Pause there. I have to make the screen a little brighter. Okay, it's identical. Two Jet Z, 2017 Nissan GTR 35, and Corvette Greenwood. Wow. Let's see. What's the next one? Robo Race, Robo Car. We have a RV there yet, and a red Chevy Nova. Okay, we have a custom El Camino. That's a new color. Then the G Ready, and there you go, another Cyclone. Awesome. Love that Cyclone. Okay, up next, 42 Willys MB Jeep, another Greenwood. Wow, that's 3. And a heavy hitcher. Oh, I see it already. There it is. 2013 Hot Wheels Chevy Camaro Special Edition. And you see that? Right there. So that's a regular treasure hunt. Okay, Chevy Nova wagon and a Hyper Rocker. Okay, next up, Power Rocket, Pixel Shaker, and a Skate Groom. Ooh, I didn't see this one in the last one. There's an 8 crate Hudson Hornet. That's the one I didn't see. And there's 3 GTRs in this one. I'm gonna have to open one of those. Porsche Carrera, Skydome, and Porsche 944 Turbo. Did we do an opening on that? I don't remember. That might be one to open. Okay, up next we have the Quick and Roll. That's kind of cool. The 84 Audi Sport Quattro. I think this is there's a super version, I think, for each case. And BMW 1300 KR. That's a long name. Okay, up next, Dune It Up High Beam 42 Willys MB Jeep. We saw those already. Another Dune It Up Twin Mill Gen E and a Bat Plane. Here's your first 36. Sorry, doing 2 things at one time. Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Gran Turismo, Rockin' Santa Sled, and another Chevy Silverado Trail Boss. We had that in the last case, all 3 of them. Something stuck there. Okay, Rockin' Santa Sled, Honda City Turbo, and the cool ones. Is that a recolor in black now? HW Formula Solar, Linster Prototype, And whoops, sorry, I didn't see that. And a party wagon. Okay, next 3. Oh, Porsche 944. And there's that custom Maverick. That one looks kind of cool. Probably put that one on the side. Oh, I'm not even putting the cars on the side. I wanted to open. That 944 is one. Okay, next 3. Ooh, Porsche Carrera, Volvo 850 Estate, and a Power Wagon. The Power Wagon, was that in the last one? I don't remember. So, custom El Camino, cool one, and another bone shaker. Rock and roll, or duck and roll. Oh, another party wagon. Cool. Should put some real riders in that. Oh. Okay, so you see that one. Happens to be the Momo Datsun wagon. Chrysler Pacifica, Hudson Hornet. Try and straighten out that card. Okay, we have a Total Disposal, 2 Jet Z, that's 3 I believe, and a Nerve Hammer. Okay, next 3 we have Ion Motors Thresher. I think I picked up the Toy Hunt. I think I put it on the other channel though. Go check that out. There's a Toy Hunt where I found that in the dump bin. Dune It Up Honda City Turbo 2, and you know what, I'll link the video right up here. Ooh, Jaguar XJ220, another Cyclone, and a Honda City Turbo. Cool. I think the Cyclone is the only one I think in this case. It's really awesome. And the Ford Maverick. And the Hyper Rocker. So that is the H case. Not a very great case. I mean, the J case was absolutely awesome. We had a Super in it, and it had a whole lot of other stuff. A whole lot of new stuff. There doesn't appear to be anything, and then we got some damaged cards and. Okay, so let's close out this video. So I'd like to thank everyone who stayed and watched the video, and thank you for your support of our channel. Don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends, and check out our second channel, Code eDiecast. We are HDub50. For our new viewers, check out the end screens where you'll see links to our previous video, a video YouTube thinks you like, and a link to my second channel on YouTube, Code eDiecast, where I post shorter vlog type videos. Thank you everybody, see you Wednesday, and have a good one. Be safe.